how to fix Webtoon app not working in less than 1 minute. Or what you have to do, guys, is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have. Scroll until you find this Webtoon right here, click on it and then click on storage, click on clear cache, go back again. Now what you want to do next is click on this data usage here, disable all these options and enable them back again. After that, click on force stop and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.